Hey there, gamers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the amazing Nintendo Switch with Grey Joy-Con. This incredible console features a 6.2 LCD screen and offers 3 play modes: TV, tabletop, and handheld. With local co-op, online, and local wireless multiplayer options, the Nintendo Switch truly has something for everyone. One of the best things about the Nintendo Switch is its detachable Joy-Con controllers, which allow for versatile gaming experiences. Whether you're playing solo, with friends, or online, the Nintendo Switch has endless possibilities. And let's not forget about all the amazing games you can play on the Nintendo Switch. From classic titles like Mario Kart and Super Mario Odyssey to new favorites like Animal Crossing and The Legend of Zelda. Breath of the Wild, the Nintendo Switch is the ultimate home for Mario friends. So what are you waiting for? If you want to take your gaming to the next level, be sure to click the link in the description below to get your hands on the Nintendo Switch with Grey Joy-Con. Trust me, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Happy gaming!